All right. No, that's great news. All right, I love you too. Bye-bye. That was my dad. He just got the all clear from his last physical. It's a load off my mind. I'm getting older too. And while my doctor says that my prostate is healthy, he also says that it's a good idea that I stay proactive.
For men, maintaining a healthy prostate is key for overall health. And with our Ultra Prostate Formula, you can support healthy nighttime urination, prostate function and size, as well as encourage healthy estrogen levels with research-proven nutrients like saw palmetto, nettle root, and more.
I did some digging and learned that Life Extension uses the latest research and clinical studies along with the highest quality ingredients in their supplements.
It's true. In fact, Ultra Prostate Formula was specifically designed to address the many factors that affect prostate health. It truly is our most advanced prostate supplement.
I'm doing everything I can to keep myself in top condition, not just for me, but for my family.